What can be said about Cynthiana Beach Hotel? Nestled in a unique location with stunning views and access to both rocky and sandy beaches, it offers a retreat for those seeking peace and tranquility. The staff are known for their friendliness and helpfulness. The rooms are praised for their cleanliness and comfort. However, some guests have mentioned that the hotel could use a renovation. There have also been complaints about an unpleasant smell in the rooms. The Wi-Fi quality was another point of contention, especially in certain areas of the hotel. When it comes to food, the hotel doesn't disappoint. Guests have enjoyed the breakfast and appreciated the variety of buffet theme nights, including Cyprus night with live music and dancing, Chinese night, Italian night, Carvery night, and more. In summary, the Cynthiana Beach Hotel, with its stunning location and friendly staff, offers a memorable stay. However, some areas could use improvement, according to guest feedback. It's a place where the majority of guests have found more positives than negatives.